What looks like little stars in a row there, those are Jupiter's moons. Jupiter has like 95 moons. Woo! Airplane, hey now. Wish I would have seen that coming. So this is a live view of the planet Jupiter through my telescope. And what looks like 4 stars lined up right there, those are actually moons. Jupiter's 4 largest moons, known as the Galilean moons. And up top, starting from left to right, is the moon Ganymede, and then the planet Jupiter, and then the moon Io, then Europa, and then Callisto down there on the bottom right.